Okay, back to the book nook. I have the walls up. I've braced them here. I'm getting ready to do the second level. And for that, I just created this really cool arch-topped window that'll be up here. And now I'll show you how I did it. This foam is pretty flexible, but it's not quite that flexible. As you can see, I can bend it a little bit, but it eventually will snap. I have this piece here. I want to cut this down into some relatively thin strips. Take my straight edge, my metal straight edge here, and get it pretty close to that other edge there. Cut these strips out. Here's one, here's two, and I'll just do 3 of these. I'm going to use this old medicine bottle. You may have just anything, we'll say 1.5 to 2 inches across, hot glue. Laying my wood texture on what will be the inside here. I'm going to take this medicine bottle, put a little spot of hot glue, just a little spot on the side, tack that in. These strips are very thin, they're much easier to bend. I'll wrap this around the other side. I want a 180-degree turn. And I'll put another little spot of hot glue over here, just a little spot. Just enough to hold it in place. Essentially what I'm constructing here is like a laminate. And once I lay the other boards in, it'll hold it all in. All right, with the next strip, I'm going to run a line of hot glue all the way down. Put that in place. Just wrap it around. The third one, I'll lay in the texture that will be on the outside first. This could work for arch-top door frames as well. I'll take my knife and very carefully cut that little spot away from the... And there I have the arch of the window frame. Now I'll just take a little piece that I already textured like wood here and create the bottom. And glue it in place. And then I simply cut off the extra. And there's my frame. I have an arch-topped frame. Again, I could use this for doors or windows. To create that arch top. A little texture on all of this. Also make the bar up the middle there. There you have it. Everything else in this window build will be just like I've shown you in my previous window videos. That is how to create a very nice arch-topped frame for a unique look.